welcome back to my channel. I know you guys miss me, but anyways, I'm back. How you guys doing? It's been a long time. Okay, so guys, I'm pushing back the cuticles now. We're gonna do a Christmas nails. You know it's the Christmas season. Merry Christmas in advance to everyone, to my family. You guys are the best. Okay, so I'm pushing back the cuticles, and then I'm just gonna use the other side of my cuticle pusher to take out the dead cuticle that I pushed back, so that we have a very clean surface to work with. How you guys doing? To my returning subscribers, you are welcome back. So I'm gonna go in with my sanding band just to take out the shine from the nails, so that when I apply my tips, it's very easy. So guys, I already applied the tip off camera. I used this my palm rose tips that I got on Amazon, and I also used my Makartt nail glue to apply the nails off camera. Okay, so guys, I'm going to cut down the nails with my clip, and I have my measuring magnet, which I also got on Amazon. So guys, I'm going to go with my Makartt hand file just to fight the tip of the nails. So now I'm going to go with my sanding band to take out the shine from the false nails. So guys, I'm going to go with my nail primer, my extra bond, and my base coat. I'm just going to apply them on the nails. So now I'm going to go with my base coat, and then I will apply it on the nails. Cure it for 60 seconds. This is my Madam Glam base coat. So guys, because it's Christmas, I'm gonna do a Christmas design. So first, the pinky, we're gonna have a Christmas snowflakes, and every other one is gonna come with different designs. Okay, so this is the Makartt Polygel I'm going for. These are what I'm gonna be using to do the snowflakes on the pinky. So first, I'm gonna go with a little bit of Note Polygel. I'm just gonna apply it from the cuticle area down to the tip, very light, and then I'll start applying the glitters to create my snowflakes. So guys, I'm gonna go in with my glitters. Everything is gonna be in the description box. So first, I'm gonna apply this first. So I'm going to use this flat brush to apply my glitters on the nails. And then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So I'm going to go with my Roseline Clear to encapsulate the nails, okay? And then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So guys, I'm going to apply my Makartt Polygel on the nails. Then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. I'm going to apply it on all the nails. So guys, how you guys doing? It's been a minute, right? And I've been so busy, very busy. But I'm fully back. I made a video already concerning what I've been up to. So that video is going to come up. You guys know I'm trying to introduce vlog to the channel also. So I'm going to make it a vlog, and then I will upload it for you guys to see. Thank you so much for always sticking by. I appreciate you guys a lot. So I'm just going to apply this Polygel on all the nails, and then I'll cure them for 60 seconds. guys, I'm gonna link everything in the description box just in case you want to order it from Amazon. You can order it from there, just for you to click on the link, and then it's gonna take you directly to Amazon website, and then you can order whatever you want to order. Okay. So guys, I already filed these 3 nails off camera. I'm only going to file the ring finger and the pinky on camera, okay? It's the same thing as always, but first I'll clean the surface of the nails just to make sure I take out all the stickiness from the nails. You guys know that Polygel is very sticky. So then I'll go in with my Makartt hand file. I'll start using it to shape the nails first. So I'm going to shape the nails. I'm going to go with my drill bit to start filing the surface of the nails and also file the critical areas of both nails. Guys, whenever you are doing this, be very careful so that you don't hurt the person, okay? So guys, I'm going to go back with my sanding band just to file the surface of the nails. Now I'm going to go with my buffer to buff the nails. We are done filing. I'm just going to ask her to go wash her nails so that we'll get into the design. So guys, we already cleaned the nails. Because it's Christmas, we're going for this red gel, and the name of the gel is Beetles. I got this from Amazon. So first I'm going to apply my matte top coat because the design is going to be matte and glossy, okay? I'm only going to show you guys this one on camera because they are all the same. So I'll apply this on the nails and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So I'm gonna So now I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So guys, I just finished doing the nails off camera. Now I'm going to create the candy cane on the index finger, okay? So after doing that, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. You can do it however you want, but this is how I want it. So yeah. And you can make it as wide as you like I'm doing. This is what we have. I'm not going to cure it. I'm going to apply my glitter on it and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So guys, I have my glitter. Then I'm just going to pour it on the nails. After that, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Just gonna dust it off, okay? So guys, I have these snowflakes that I got from Amazon. So I'm just gonna, she already picked whatever she likes, so I'm just gonna apply it on the nails. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna go with this one. This is a 3D snowflakes. I'm gonna stick it right here. So I'm gonna have another one. So guys, I'm going to apply a top coat on the ring finger, and then I'll apply the red glitter on it, then cure it for 60 seconds. So I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds, okay? I'm not going to dust it out until I cure it. So guys, I have my reserve top coat. I'm just going to apply it on the nails, but first, because this is a cane, I just want to apply it between the red and the white, okay? So I don't want to apply it on the white areas of the nails. Then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. You can also apply your top coat before applying the white, but I just prefer to do this. Then I'll apply on the other nails and then cure it for 60 seconds. I don't want to apply on the matte areas of the nails. I'm just going to go with my liner just to line it, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So guys, this is what we have. I'm just going to apply my cuticle oil on the nails just to take out the ashiness from the nails, okay? So guys, this is the end of the nails. The nails came out well. This is my little way to show you guys how to do your own nails at home. This is a Christmas nails and it came out so beautiful. Give it a try. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification bell so that when I upload any video, you'll be the first to get notified. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.